Welcome to my channel Fun with Nawab. Let's learn food names in English. Rice, fried potato, salad, dal, veg curry, egg curry, fish curry, fried chicken, fried egg, boiled egg, omelette, egg toast, biryani, chow mein, water balls, bread, idli, dosa, noodle, momos, chicken nuggets, kebab, biscuit, toast, bagel, hot dog, sandwich, bacon, baguette, bun, pizza, pickle, chips, kachori, muffin, donut, croissant, pani puri, ham, fried fish, cake, pancake, funnel cake, pasta, pulao, cutlet, wrap, patties, dhokla, roast chicken, mutton, taco, poha, dahi puri, upma, sauce, vada, vada pav, waffle, Swiss roll, sausage, milk, butter, curd, yogurt, cheese, cream, coffee, tea, juice, rice pudding, porridge. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more educational videos.